Hi everyone, thank you for your time. Today for you I have nail show number 2, and I told you in my previous one that I change my nail polish very often. I'm so happy that most of you said that they like this idea. Thank you so much for such amazing feedback. I love that you guys interact with me and that you write me your comments and you actually pay attention to what I'm saying. Also, I asked you in my previous one, do you guys feel calm when you paint your nails? And so many of you said yes, that you feel calm and relaxed when you paint your nails. And actually, I was on my Instagram page and I saw this, if you're feeling down or if you feel depressed, a list of the things that you should do. And one of the things was painting your nails. So I feel definitely that has some kind of connection to keeping you calm and just kind of giving you that time for you. I do enjoy painting my nails, and I feel my nails are accessory to me, so that way I always match it with my outfits or something like that. I just really like that. I'm someone who's really into fashion. I'm really connecting my nails to my style, if that makes any sense. I really try to show you that on my videos. I'm not sure how much of it is coming off on my videos, but I do really always do my nails in a way that I know that they will complement my style. I don't know if anyone else does that. Do you guys treat your nails like your accessory, or how do you treat your nails? You can have short nails and still they can look fabulous. I have a video on short nails and how to paint them and stuff like that. You can definitely watch that if you haven't. But honestly, any nail shape or size pretty if you take care of it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't have anything against anyone who doesn't paint their nails or anything like that. I just really think that it's part of hygiene to have clean, neat hands and stuff. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong or maybe I'm not wording this right, but I hope you guys get the point. I picked this amazing shade. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful, coral pink color. I just really love this one. It's very neutral, it's very settled down. And also one thing when it comes to nail polishes, this nail polish, for example, that I'm applying, it's very thick. This formula is very thick and you have to make it the first layer. It's not going to come out perfect, but when you apply a second layer, it will even everything out. So that's a little tip. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will talk with you in my next video. Until then, watch some of my other videos on my channel because I have many of those. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, night or week whenever you're watching this. And that would be it. Bye bye for now.